Introduction. Welcome to an intuitive dance of words where emotion takes precedence and every moment is an intricate step in the waltz of life. This tale emerges as a canvas, painting the story of characters whose lives are rich with longing and a zeal that can only be quenched by embracing the roller coaster ride called love. It begins with Aryan with his undying optimism and heartfelt daydreams, a hopeless romantic in the truest sense. His path soon crosses with Tanvi, a young woman with eyes like the monsoon sky, stormy yet brimming with unspoken tales. Their rendezvous sets forth a journey where secrets and smiles are just a heartbeat away. Through the vibrant corridors of youth and into the amphitheater of complex emotions, we will traverse with a trio inseparable by trials or time. Rahul, Rohit and Raj, friends bonded by their shared experiences, adventure and support each other as they each find their footing in a world constantly challenging their beliefs and bonds. Just as the hues of dawn promise the day's potential, this ensemble of characters lights up the narrative with their individual sparkle that collectively illuminates the landscape of our story. As the narrative unfolds, we are invited to peer into the tapestry of relationships, where every thread holds a sentiment tenderly intertwined with another. In this quiet corner, let the pages flutter like autumn leaves, whispering of love nurtured, love challenged and love rediscovered. Here, in these very lines, a poignant tale of resilience awaits, a chronicle of youth and yearning, where every triumph and tribulation is a note in the symphony of the human heart. Introduction of characters. The heart of our story pulses with the lives of characters rich in dreams and drenched in the hues of their complexities and desires. First, we are acquainted with Aryan, whose every breath whispers the promise of love. He wanders through life with poetry in his pocket and hope as his compass, embodying the spirit of a romantic, not yet jaded by the cynicism of the world. His open heart is a beckoning canvas, inviting the bold strokes of an epic love story to unfold across its expanse. Next, we meet Tanvi, a young woman cloaked in allure and enigma. She carries within her a tumult of secrets like hidden pearls, too precious and piercing to unveil. Tanvi is an intricate mosaic of strength and vulnerability, a contradiction of sorts, who holds within her the power to draw Aryan into a whirlwind of emotional depth he has yet to comprehend. The narrative would be amiss without the boisterous camaraderie of the three musketeers, Rahul, Rohit and Raj. These friends weave a tapestry of support around Aryan, their jests and bonds as fierce as they are endearing. They are the echoes of laughter in a quiet room, the providers of respite from the solitude that often shadows one's quest.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?